Welcome to Reunion, one of Central Mississippi's most prestigious neighborhoods located right here in Madison, Mississippi. Reunion is more than just a neighborhood, it's a vibrant, resort-style community. At the center is a stunning 400-acre private lake, perfect for fishing, boating, or paddleboarding. Residents also enjoy an 18-hole championship golf course, multiple neighborhood pools, tennis, and pickleball courts. Miles of scenic walking and biking trails, and even a private beach and clubhouse with fine dining. Families here benefit from access to the highly acclaimed Madison County School District, with zoning for some of the area's top-rated schools: Madison Station Elementary, Madison Middle School, Madison Central High School. It's a community designed for families, professionals, and anyone looking to enjoy the best of Madison living. And right in the heart of this exceptional neighborhood is 112 Fenwick Circle, a newly remodeled, designer-inspired home that perfectly blends luxury, comfort, and space, so stay tuned for an exclusive tour. This stunning 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom home spans an impressive 4,475 square feet and sits on a generous 0.64-acre lot. From the curb appeal to the high-end finishings inside, this home makes a statement before you even walk through the front door. Next, step inside and you'll immediately notice the designer finishes such as visual comfort, lighting fixtures, and attention to detail. This home has been fully updated and remodeled, creating a fresh, sophisticated feel while maintaining warmth and livability. The heart of this home is the open concept living area that flows seamlessly into the gourmet kitchen, perfect for entertaining. Think marble countertops, custom cabinetry, top-of-the-line appliances, and a massive island that brings everyone together. With 5 spacious bedrooms, there's room for everyone. The primary suite is a true retreat, featuring a spa-like bathroom with double vanities, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower that feels more like a luxury hotel than home. Need a home office, a media room, a guest suite? This home has the flexibility to meet your lifestyle needs, and don't miss the outdoor living spaces. The back patio is perfect for grilling, gathering, or just enjoying peaceful Mississippi evenings. Living in Reunion means more than just a beautiful home. Residents enjoy access to incredible amenities, a private lake, championship golf course, swimming pools, walking trails, and a strong sense of community. If you're looking for a home that offers space, style, and lifestyle unmatched in Central Mississippi, 112 Fenwick Circle is the one to see. Contact us today to schedule your private showing. This one won't last long. And don't forget to sign up for daily market updates on our website, www.taylorgroupms.com. Thank you for watching and see you next video.